Are you prepared to create fantastic content quicker with the prowess of AI? In this video, we'll demonstrate some amazing AI tools that greatly simplify content creation, from writing and video editing to design and voiceovers. No matter whether you're an online YouTuber, a freelancer, or a social media enthusiast, these tools will assist you in saving precious time and ensuring quality content. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. We begin with the most impressive, ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool is perfect for text-based tasks such as writing video scripts, captions, blog posts, or even generating business ideas in a matter of seconds. With your personal AI assistant, everything becomes a breeze for text-based tasks. Tool number 2, Canva Magic Studio. Our second choice is Canva Magic Studio. It's not just restricted to design. You can now utilize it for image editing as well. From removing backgrounds, generating social captions, to producing complete posts, Canva Magic Studio is perfect for all your content requirements. Tool number 3, Pictory AI. Pictory AI allows for text or blog post modifications into professional quality videos with voiceovers and subtitles. This is ideal for YouTube content creation, Instagram posts, or business video scripts. Tool number 4, Descript. Descript is a versatile AI video and audio editor that helps you edit by text, customize the language of a word in the video script, and it is removed immediately. It also swiftly creates voice cloning and subtitles to enhance your content. Tool number 5, Jasper AI. Jasper AI caters to the needs of blog writers and content marketers. It effortlessly generates high-quality SEO articles, advertisements, and product descriptions for a boost in your freelance writing or content marketing efforts. Tool number 6, Runway ML. Runway ML serves as an AI video editor that simplifies video background removal, enhances videos, and even generates new scenes. Utilize it for producing cinematic videos without breaking the bank. Tool number 7, to Eleven Labs. Lastly, Eleven Labs empowers voiceovers. By using AI, it is able to create artificial intelligence voices that are diverse in tone and accent. This makes it ideal for faceless YouTube channels or podcasts. So, there you have it, 7 incredible AI tools that streamline content creation like never before. Give one a shot today and witness the transformation in your workflow. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment on AI tools if you'd like part 2.